how to make great decisions. Did you know that you're making 35,000 decisions every single day? Decisions with your health, with your money, with your kids, with your career, with your clients. 35,000 decisions a day shape your life. And a lot of times you find yourself not knowing what to do, unsure, too tired to even make the decision that is right for you. Here's what I want you to do. Whenever you feel that you're not sure what to decide, I want you to scale from 0 to 10. How right is this option versus this option for you? Or how right is a certain decision for you? And you scale it from 0 to 10. And then you weigh the options and you'll know what is the right decision for you very quickly within 2 seconds. Hey, you're here. I'm so glad to see you here. Did you like my clip? If you did, then subscribe to my channel right here. I have a lot more clips for you and I have a lot more information on how to get you in control of your life.